Mr. Crypto Web3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer! Today I'm sharing with Chaincraft's daily combo for August 10, 2024. Okay, let's go! The first one which is C. Bunso Hamster. Okay, this one. And then for the second one which is C. The Father Hamster. Naka-red dress. And then for the third one which is C. Okay, the Jim Hamster. And then for the fourth one, which is C, Blue Bunny. Naka-blue jacket. Oh, ayaw mo pa, ha? Yan. And then for the last one, which is C, okay, C, babaerong bunny. Okay, this is the best pick for Chaincrafts in August 10,